everyone, I am Thunderang and welcome back to Clever Blocks. Wishing everyone a very happy Easter, and since it's Easter, in today's video we are going to learn on how to make an Easter egg. Yes, exactly the one that you see at the back, but it's an Easter egg with a house, right? That's what we're going to do for today. Okay, so let us get started. It's going to be very simple. I'm going to say step by step every instruction that I'm going to do. So the first thing is I'm going to choose any block. This is going to be the base block and you can decide which one you want to choose. I'm going to just use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I think that's tall enough. And now I'm going to go ahead and choose any concrete that I want. I'm going to stick to the red concrete, the orange and the yellow. So that is it. And I'm going to start making up the base. So I'm going to make a plus icon right here. So one in the center, one here, and one here, one here, and one here. It should look like this plus. Once I'm done with this, I take the next concrete and I'm going to fill this, okay? But it's going to be up. So I place one block here, one just in front of it, break this other. Now place one block in front again and one here. So it's basically like an L shape, as you can see. I need to create this L shape on every empty space that is present. So I do the same thing again, like that. And then I come here, I do the same thing. Whatever blocks are extra, I'm going to break it and focus on making the L shape right here. So once this is done, I'm just going to connect them, just like that. Okay, and this is how it looks like for now. The next one is we are going to take the other block and we're going to make an outline all over it. So let's go for it and let's see how to do that. So this is it. Now I'm going to place the yellow one in front of it. Oh, sorry. Okay, so one here. So I need to place this up and I need to do it like this. Okay, so whatever is extra, I'm going to break it up and I'm going to place again. When this is extra, I break it up, keep placing. So basically we are making an outline and you just have to follow for the outline. That's all that we need to do right here. And whatever is extra, we keep breaking it. And that's it. So this is how it should look like at this point. If you want, you can pause the video and you can keep doing all your steps. So this is what we have done so far, the bottom and the two layers at the top. After this, we are going to go ahead and again take the different color and make another outline for it. So let's go for it. So again, we go back to a color red and we do the same thing. So we repeat the same process. We place the block here, 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 and we keep placing. There you go. And here. And here. So basically here what I'm doing is I'm just placing the blocks on the outside and I'm just breaking all the extras that are present. That's all that I'm trying to do. And if something gets here and there, we can always go ahead and we can fix it up. Okay, so this is how it's looking like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some blocks here. This looks like the L shape. Okay, so something like this. So this is how it should look like. So just make sure it's looking something like this right here. Okay, so once this is done, we are going to go ahead and we are going to just add up one more layer to it. So let's do that. So I'm going to choose the other color, that is my orange. And let's do this one. So again the same thing. So I place orange here, one block up like this. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just going to go for every layer and place one block up for it. That's all, like this. This is how it looks so far. I come here, I do the same thing again, and I'm going to repeat this pattern every single time, like that. This also, like this, like that. I keep breaking the extras, whatever is present, and keep following along. There you go. So this is how it looks like so far. And now I'm also going to go ahead and make it look a little bit better. So I'm just going to keep adding some blocks here on the back side here, like this. Okay, so it looks a little bigger. And here, 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 here. So I'm adding all the extra blocks on the back. Okay, so keep in mind that all the extra blocks are supposed to be added at the back. And this is the output, and this is how it looks like at this point. And this is so much so far that we have created. Now the next thing is, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and repeat this one more time. Okay, we're going to just make another layer of the same. So let's do this quickly. Oopsies. So I'm just going to keep filling it up all through, just like that, like this. And I'm almost done, and there it is. So this is how it looks like. I have added 2 layers of the same color, and this is how it looks like so far. Now let's see the next step. So in the next step, we're going to do the same thing again. After orange, we have the yellow color, and that's what we're going to do. And we're going to repeat the same thing all around for it. Okay, so I'm just going to go outside and repeat the same pattern all through. Okay, so you're free to break all the extra blocks that you have. It's not needed. So whatever is not needed, you can break it. But if you feel that you want to keep it, it looks good for you, you can go ahead and you can do that. It's your Easter egg, so you decide how you would want it to be. As simple as that. And oopsies. So we're almost here. And there you go. So this is how it looks like with this yellow color on it. Now again, we are going to add some layers to it. We're going to double this layer. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and do this. So we're going to keep doubling this all. So basically we'll be having 3 layers of this yellow concrete. And we again do the other layer. Okay, and that's it. This is how it looks like so far. Okay, so we are almost there, and now the next step after this is going to be more easier. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to try to make the circle on the inside this time. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go for that. So I'm going to go back to my red color and do the same thing all over again, but this time on the inside. So when I'm doing it on the inside, what are we going to do? It's very simple. We place one block inside and one block up, and we're going to follow this all through. So let's get this done. So I'm not doing anything much. I'm just going to follow along. That's all that I'm doing. All here. So this is how it looks like for me at this point. Okay, so I think this needs a little bit of fixing. So yeah, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so once this is done, we have to do the same thing again. We're just going to add one more layer of the same block at the top. So let's complete this part. Okay, and this is completed. This is how it looks now. Okay, so we're almost getting there. Now we'll go back to our orange color and we're going to go ahead with one more layer on the inside. So let's do that again. So the same thing, we're going to repeat it. Okay, and this is how it looks like. We got a little bit of fixing right here. Okay, perfect. And this is how it looks. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now it's all good, it's all fine. This is how it looks now. Okay, so let's go for it, and we're going to again double this entire layer. So that's my structure so far, and now I'm going to again go ahead and take the yellow and layer it out once again. So let's do that. Okay, and that is it. So after this, we're just going to double this one again. Okay, and that's all. Now after this is completed, we're going to again do the same thing. We go back to the red concrete and we're going to fill that up on the inside with 2 layers all together. Okay, and this is how it looks like. And finally, we are going to go ahead and take the orange concrete and place it on top. How we started, if you remember, we had a plus icon right in the beginning, and this is exactly how this ends here. And this is something our egg looks like. Okay, and after this, you can definitely go ahead and you can decorate it. You can make it look even better the way you would want it to be. Also, here are some examples. As you can see here, I have made another one which is in a pink color. So this is how this looks like. And also we have an Easter egg house, and this is how it looks like with some bunny heads right here in the beginning. So this is it, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you understood on how to build the Easter egg. Do practice, and again, once again, wishing everyone a very happy Easter. See you in the next video. Bye bye.